Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Lola. So today is the last day of long weekend, Canada Day here, and I decided to pick up some stuff to work because last week, to be honest, I was very lazy. I just want to relax and to recharge my energy to work on a new project. So my husband and I, we went to the lake or play tennis with our best friends, and it's very nice. It's actually good to go outside and just relax, forget all the projects, all work. It's really good for your soul. So today I'm back. I will work on some stuff. One of them is gossip bench I get from my best friend. She got it from near her house, like on the street, and she said like, do you want it? I always say yes if it's solid wood. And the other two is I want to make some DIY planters, maybe for your indoor plants. Maybe I can give you some ideas. So stay with me, keep on watching, and let's do something today, guys. Alright guys, this is my first project. So it's a gossip bench or telephone bench, like in the old days when people still have a real phone in their house, and you just sit there for hours, maybe for gossiping. Maybe that's how it called, gossip bench. So you can see there's a lot of water damage on the top. I will paint this gossip bench with white paint, but first I need to sand the top first, make sure all the surface is smooth, and I will change the cushion, and that's it. So I flip this bench upside down because it's easier for me to paint it. I'm using Kills for the primer. So after I'm done with the primer from Kills, I noticed there's a bleed through from the previous stain, and I need to cover it. So I'm using cover stain from Zinsser. It's really good to cover all the stain, and after that there will be no problem. I sprayed this for this piece all over, so I'm using this as a primer. So once the primer or the stain cover is dry, I'm using a spray paint from Rust-Oleum, and the color is white. I did the same for the top. I'm using Zinsser stain cover for the primer, and then I'm using spray paint white from Rust-Oleum. So while waiting the paint to dry on the gossip bench, I will work on the cushion. I will change the cover with the new fabric I got from Walmart. Oh boy, removing these staples is not fun. I'm still using the old foam because I see that it's still firm and nice and there's no smell. But I cover it with this thing that I still don't know the name is, foam cover. And after that, I will cover it with the fabric that I bought from Walmart. Look at the color of this fabric. I love it. I think the blue is really pop because the bench is all white, so it's really good. I really love the beautiful floral as a pattern from the fabric. Now back to my gossip bench. It's dry, all the paint, and I want to put a wallpaper on the drawer. I thrifted this wallpaper actually a day before I work on this project. I think the pattern on the wallpaper, the floral, is matched to the cushion, to the fabric on the cushion, and I really love it. There's no glue or whatsoever from this wallpaper to adhere to the drawer, so I'm using a spray adhesive. So I'm spraying the drawer and then the wallpaper and wait 2 to 5 minutes before I stick them together. So I spray little by little at the time because this glue is really stick. So I failed on my first attempt, so this is actually my second attempt. So I only spray the half, and when it's dry I put the wallpaper inside and I spray the other half when the wallpaper is already stick inside the drawer. Alright, I'm continuing to my second project today. It's an easy peasy project. I found this vase on a thrift shop and it's $8. I like the shape, but I don't really like the motif, the pattern on the vase. So I will just spray paint it white with Rust-Oleum. I give it 2 coats. Just like that, and I'm done. Now it's time to go to the next project. So guys, I have basket from Dollarama and it's $4. And I bought this sisal rope. It's 15.24 meter. I bought from Home Depot, and I'm gonna wrap this to this basket. And I can make a planter or a basket for pillows and blankets. Let's see how it goes. Basically what I do is just to use my glue gun to glue the sisal rope to the basket. I started from the bottom of the basket all the way to the top. So guys, this is my last project. I don't even know if I can call this DIY. Basically, my friend found this birdcage on the street. She gave it to me and I just put the plant inside it. Alright guys, that's it for the project today. I hope you enjoy it. Just a little bit DIYs here and there, updating some stuff, but I hope I can inspire you to do the same around your home. Don't forget to leave your comment, like and subscribe because it will help my channel to grow bigger. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching my video. See you all in my next project. Ta-da!